This is a recap for Wednesday, June 9th. And in this recap, there's going to be an answer key for Geometry Lesson 4 and Geometry Lesson 5. We'll start with 4. This card is just a formula, so you don't need to write anything on that. The base is 5 meters. The height is 3 meters. So the area is 15, and we have to put square meters. That is 3 times 5. The base is 11 feet. The height is 6 feet. So we do area is equal to 6 times 11 divided by 2. So that is 66 divided by 2, and that's 33 feet squared. Don't forget to put those square feet or square units in the answers. So the base is 7 inches, and the height is 3 inches. Area is equal to 1/2 base times height. So it's 1/2 of 7 times 3. 1/2 times 21. And the area is 10.5 inches squared. Area of this square is 5 squared. The base and the height are the same thing, so that's 25 centimeters squared. We can ignore that right there. The area is equal to 4 times 9. So that is 36 square yards. That's how you write square yards. We're going to draw a triangle. And the height is 8, and we know that the area is 72, so we do 72 equals 1/2 of the base times the height, which is 8. So 72 equals 1/2 of 8 is 4. 4 times the base. Divide both sides by 4, and the base is equal to 18 centimeters. So 72, 18 centimeters, and that unit is in centimeters. A triangle with an area of 40 square meters and a base that's 10. We don't know the height, so we can just say 40 equals the 10 times the base, or excuse me, the height. So base times height divided by 2. So if we multiply both sides by 2, we get 80 is equal to 10 times h divided by 10. H is equal to 8. So that would be 8 meters. The perimeter of the bottom of a square tent is 32 feet. So here is the bottom, and so if we put 8 on each side, 8 feet, then each side is 8 feet, and it covers an area of 8 squared, which is 64 square feet. Okay, the area of this trapezoid is base 1 plus base 2 times the height divided by 2. And since we don't have any numbers on this, that's all we can do on that one. Just write the formula. So using that formula, area is equal to 1/2 of base 1 plus base 2 times the height. Area is equal to 1/2 9 plus 5, or 5 plus 9 times 4. Area is 1/2 14 times 4. We can do 1/2 of 4, which is 2, times 14. So the area is equal to 28 square feet. And the last one on lesson 4 is find the height. So we have to work backwards if we're given the area. So 17.5 equals, in fact, I think I'm going to move it over here. 17.5 is the area. And that is equal to 1/2 of 8 plus 6 times the height. So we don't know what that height is. We're trying to find out what the height is. We can add 8 plus 16, 17.5 is equal to 1/2 of 14 times h. Half of 14 is 7, so 17.5 is equal to 7 times h. So we can divide by 7. And h is equal to 17.5 divided by 7. Goes in there twice. So 2.5 times. So 2.5 centimeters. Okay. So that was the answer key for Geometry Lesson 4. Here's the answer key for Geometry Lesson 5. So the sum of the central angles of a circle is 360 degrees. One of the chords is EF. Another chord is AB. The radius is either CE, CD, or CF. The diameter is EF or FE. And central angles, angle ECD, angle DCF, and angle FCE. And on this one, all you have to do is just draw a circle, put a point in the middle, put a line through it, and label it 12 centimeters. Again, draw a circle, put a point in the middle, draw a line through that. Say I missed it. So you want to draw a line through the center, because that's the diameter, and just label it 12 centimeters. And we can, we know that the sum of the central angles, according to card 1, is 360 degrees. So if we do 100 plus 140 plus 40 plus x. So we combine all these to 280 plus x equals 360. And then create a 0 pair with the 280. x equals 80. And the last card is just an answer key for the first card. So that is the answer key for Geometry Lesson 5. And that's a recap for Wednesday, June